will be reviewing for you two drying lotions. One is a very, very hyped, popular one, and it's a Badescu drying lotion that I've been using forever. Then we have here a new one from Tarte Cosmetics, and is the Sugar Rush Treat Your Selfie drying lotion, and you get 1 ounce on these. So if you've ever used the Badescu or any of the drying lotions, you know you're not supposed to shake the bottle whatsoever. You just open it and you insert a Q-tip all the way to the bottom, like so, and then this is what you will get. So pink solution once it touches, I guess, the powder in the bottom. So it says formulated for troubled skin, works to effectively dry out whiteheads and draw pore clogging impurities. Do not shake solution. I have a spot here, but I have makeup, so it's concealed very well. But you just take this and you just dab it wherever you have in whiteheads, and this will definitely dry it out. Will your acne disappear the next day? Absolutely not. Will it shrink? Yes. This is just a spot treatment, so it's not meant to put all over the face. We'll have like a pink dot, so this is not like to be worn outside, or maybe you don't care, then I guess you wear it outside. But this is usually what I put when I'm home before I go to sleep. So they sell this at Ulta, Badescu. I've seen it at Nordstrom Rack, and I've been using it forever. It really, really helps. This is cruelty free and paraben free for 24 months, and it claims to be good for all skin types. Then we have this one, which is from Tarte. We all know that Tarte uses very good ingredients, like clean ingredients, and this one, I'm not sure if you can see it, probably not, but I see the solution like all the way here. So this is liquid and this must just be the other part of it. It says very clearly there, do not shake. Take a cotton swab and dip all the way to the bottom of the bottle. Apply directly to spots on clean, dry skin before bed. And you will see why this one is before bed as well. This one actually smells to me like a toothpaste, or like Scope or something like that. So if you look at this one now, this one looks like a mud color. The same thing, but that's the color that you will get. Did try this one for this spot here, and it definitely helped. I was very scared that I would break out because of some of the ingredients here, so please, even though I'm reviewing this for you guys, this is just my opinion, how it worked for me. Just be careful, try it in a small area, read the ingredients really well. This is cruelty free and vegan, and this says that it would last for 6 months. So 6 months here compared to 24 months here once it's opened. Though those are the ingredients here, it did help dry out. Like the next day I was so impressed, I was so happy, and I was actually very scared to use this. They're both really nice. Obviously I like how this one looks, is more like, this is both of them. Do have this one in a glass bottle and in a plastic bottle if that's a concern for you. This one is glass. I haven't seen it like in any other form. This is the Treat Your Selfie Sugar Rush drying solution. Love these. I always have to have a drying solution. I've been using drying solutions for a really long time for my acne, and it definitely helps. Just be careful because obviously it's gonna dry it out so much that it will flake the skin. That's just what happens. So definitely moisturize. Maybe you will enjoy this smell better. It smells minty, and I don't know, this doesn't bother me at all. Another thing quickly before I forget, the Badescu just comes like this. I've never seen it like in a box or anything. One from Tarte, you do get it in this little box. It's really cute, very girly. I really like it, so just an FYI. Thinking of doing like my favorite Badescu products that I have ever tried. I don't know if you would be interested in that video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.